Morning internet. Bit of a cool day for VJ today. She's getting some new shoes. So what I have to do, sorry, can't really hold the camera and the laptop at the same time, so
then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know?
yeah, just rinsed out all the wheel arches. There's nothing worse than when a car comes in and it's just like covered in mud and you've got to change the wheels for it. So yeah, just a little bit of respect for the wheel technician. Going one wheel wider, we're going to go from 285s to 305s. Just gives a bit of a bigger footprint on the ground. I didn't want to go a bigger wheel because too illegal. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Although 35s are fantastic. I would love to have 35s on here. New South Wales government says I can't, so I won't. Quick little wipe while they're wet. Make it look like I'm not a complete slob. Alright. Excuse me. I'm only getting 4 new tyres, which is kind of the reason why I'm staying with 33s. I've got 4 pretty rat crap tyres here, and all the knobs are chewed off and stuff, but they've still got a good 5%, 10% of tread left on them. So I'm going to keep these, and these are going on the bike trailer because the bike trailer's got no tread left on it. I've marked them all up with some white paint so that the technicians know which ones to leave off the spares. These were my old spares. These have only done maybe 80,000 Ks, which is 40,000 odd less than all the rest of the tyres. So these are going back on as the spares, and the 33s by 305s will go around all 4. Done. The reason for going the 305s and only 4 of them instead of buying the whole 6, because if I did go the 6 wheels again, I'd probably have to shout out and get some new rims and go the 35. So another couple of years when these tyres are gone, I'll consider it then. Get it properly engineered and stuff. The reason for the 4 305s and keeping the 2 285s is I'm only going to rotate the 305s on the car and just keep the 285s just solely for spares. So that's my plan. Let's see how it works.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be, making the most paintable answer. Tell me, is this what you made me?
Beautiful sun we just had has just gone up and gone away. It's the nicest I can say it at the moment. And this is my typical drive home, maybe not in the cruiser, but this is my typical drive home. through quick.